a Tyler husband, I appreciate these mosaics. There's Steve in mosaic. Bit of Sturt Desert Pea, bilbies. Steve wrangling a croc. That's so cool.
You know, I had yearly membership here.
Shows at 11.
What?
Unbelievable.
We're too early.
We'll go to Africa and then come back.
Do you want me in it?
You've got it out. You've got it around 85 for...
Yeah, the giraffes in the background. So cool. It's beautifully done.
That's why I want to work here.
It is. A lot of people say the same just because it's huge.
Yeah, but I'm going to. It's more intense. Come on. Bigger fees, so that'll be around 4 kilos.
Yeah.
The girls probably around 3 kilos.
Yeah, right.
And then it might taper down again and he'll have 3 kilos the next day, and then he has another fast day. So
Yeah, we're going to find Dad. Oh look, what's he doing? Mace, what's he doing?
Oh my god, he's such a beautiful
What's the tiger doing? Ash? What's the tiger doing? Can you show me? What kind of snake?
A rope snake. Highly venomous rope snake.
Not the
Watch out, there it is right there. You better get out here.
Be calm.
Be calm.
Lay down.
I can't. The rope snake got me, and the rope snake's still there.
You must lay down.
Oh. Okay, lay down. Look over here. You see where the fang marks are?
Yes, I can see the fang marks. I have a pressure bandage. So
We're gonna go, man. We're gonna go.
No, no.
The snake is...
No, you must lay down and be calm.
Okay, I'm calm now.
Are you calm?
But I might die.
No, you won't die if you are calm. I'm putting the pressure bandage on.
Okay.
Does it kind of hurt because it's really going on tight?
Yeah, it's a little bit tight.
Okay, don't cry.
I'll try hard.
Okay, pressure bandage is going on all the way up the limb. Do you know why we put the pressure bandage on?
No.
Because the venom goes into the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system processes the venom through your whole body. So if we put the pressure bandage on, it keeps the venom in your arm, which can't kill you. But if it goes through your whole body, then you will be doomed.
Not doomed.
Yes.
What, a rope snake?
Yes. But stay calm and I will save you.
Okay.
Okay, are you being calm?
Okay.
Now I have to carry you to the car. Yeah, come on. Get
Okay.
up. Keep your arms still.
Okay, still.
Walk to the car.
Okay.
Gentlemen, this is Douglas. What an entrance. Give it up for Dougie. Now, Dougie is a black-necked stork, more commonly known as a jabiru, and they are the only species of stork to call Australia home. Now, check him out as he gets in the water.
Worry in the world not knowing this big croc's making his way over. To be honest, this makes him pretty keen.
You can have that one.
Boy, give it up for Scrapper. How cool was that?
Yeah.
There we go. Method to get insects and small reptiles, and he does it until he's this size and even bigger. It's flying too low to the river system. He can strike up and he can pluck it mid-flight, so he can just lock onto the movement, angle his head up, and hopefully get the food right better than he did then. So that's something that you have to keep in mind when you're up in Northern Australia. You have to be wary of that tail-walking croc. Go on, big boy, show him how fast you are. Playing a game called Come Closer here. You should get closer. You can play it, but you can only play it once. Looking straight past the chicken in my hand and the bigger chicken behind it. Ah, you have that, mate. Give it up for him. He's a weapon, isn't he?
It's good to see you two just relaxing out in nature though, I must say. Not just on your phones. Because I'm never on my phone. Never. Nope. They're pretty docile, gentle animals. I think if people had to kill their own cow, they'd probably eat less, maybe. I don't know.